Creamy, cheesy, and so easy to make. This homemade creamy linguine pasta is pure comfort food. Boil water in a pot. Once boiling, add salt, then add the linguine pasta. Cook until al dente, then drain. Set aside and save some pasta water for later. In a hot pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and a splash of olive oil. Sauté onion and garlic until fragrant. Add shrimp, bacon, or chicken, whichever you prefer. Cook until nicely done and flavorful. Add a Knorr cube and pour in some pasta water. Then add 1 cup of cooking cream and let it simmer.
Stir in Parmesan cheese until melted and creamy. Add the cooked linguine pasta and toss everything together. Finish with dried parsley and a splash of olive oil. And done. Creamy linguine pasta ready to serve. And that's it. Creamy, cheesy linguine pasta made easy at home.